Okay, Juju, this is your first living room. It's nice and small, but pretty nice, if I do say so myself. And there you are playing. Juju! Juju! Okay, well, you're ignoring me. That's not the point of this video, so. More Christmas music. Better get used to it. These are all our pictures. The dining room. And there's you. This painting up here, my mommy, your Grammy, painted when she was about 19 years old. She's a very talented lady. So this is our living room and our dining room. This is our home, Junie. This is your first home. Over here we have 12 months of June. Right now we're up to 7 because you're almost 8. Not yet quite 8 months yet. There's the bathroom, which I showed you earlier. That's a picture I took in Philadelphia, visiting your Uncle Paul with your daddy. This hutch your Grammy found on the side of the road and fixed it. Like I said, she is a very talented lady. This is our fridge of pictures of you and Miss Peyton. We're very proud, obviously. Oh. And here's our small little kitchen where we did all of our cooking. Here's the blue cobalt that your great Grammy, my grandma, on my mom's side collected. And this is the front door through the kitchen. I don't know if you call it the front or the back, but this is where you came home through this door when you were born. So this was the first room you saw in our house, was the kitchen. And these are all of my knickknacks. I love that about this place, this little shelf where I could put all my knickknacks. I'm gonna miss that. Yeah. So this is the living room. And the next video I will show you the outside area in the daytime.